Hi, my name is Rick Ford with Taylor and Sons Insurance and Financial Services. And what you'll see on your screen right now is an employee benefits self-enrollment portal. This is the welcome page to where you will be directed. And what you will do is simply follow the directions. I'm going to go ahead here and type in my username and ID. This is just a test employee, and is simply for me to assist you in how to use this new online self-enrollment system. We will have Ms. Kim Cambry there at your downtown facility in Jackson, Mississippi next week to assist you. Oh, I made a mistake. Hang on just a minute. 598. Assist you in your enrollment should you run into any glitches. You will also see a toll-free number throughout this entire presentation. I am so sorry here. 31. I can't even remember my own birthday. Here we go. This is going to work. Okay, sorry about that. So you'll see a welcome page after you log in, and you will notice that it has a toll-free number that you can call, or you can meet with Miss Kim that will be on site, or you can just watch this tutorial and probably run through it yourself, as many others have across the state of Mississippi. You'll also see where you can send us an email about any product questions or walking through the self-enrollment system. So let's get started. It's pretty easy. First thing it's going to prompt you for is personal information. Again, the toll-free number's there. You can drop us an email, and we'll have somebody on site. So this is open enrollment time. You want to check all your personal demographics. If your address has changed or anything, you'll want to go ahead and make those changes and then hit save and continue. If everything is correct, just hit save and continue. It will then take you to a dependent information screen. Please take a moment to review your dependents here. You can make any changes here with the edit button, make any removals. You can add a dependent. If these dependents are correct, you'll simply click these are correct. Then it's very important that we know who your beneficiary is for your life insurance, whether that be with the state life or the life insurance that you have with us. So these beneficiaries are correct. So we're going to move to the next screen. And it's going to move us right into the dental plan. You had a very, very small rate increase with MetLife of 3%. It will be reflected right here. It is still in your best interest to keep MetLife versus other dental carriers that we looked at. If you were previously enrolled in a product, you will see right here in this blue bar in green what you're enrolled in. And if you want to make any changes right here, you can see the test employee has employee plus children. Maybe one of his children have moved out of the age of ACA dependent, which is age 26, and he may want to change to employee spouse or employee only, so he can make a change here. He can do same as last year. Let's say that you have the coverage and you don't want it anymore. You can simply click waive. Or if you haven't taken advantage of dental in the past and you want to enroll, this is open enrollment time, you can certainly do that. In every one of our screens, you'll see right here, click for help and enrolling whatever product. And it has information there and more information right here that will direct you to the employee benefit portal that we have had built for you for quite some time. It'll show your dental plan summary. And this, again, is on every single page, not just dental. So with that, we're just going to go same as last year with this employee. It takes him to his vision. Again, if you want to know more about your vision, you can view it right here. You can see what his election has been in the past. He can enroll, he can waive, he can do the same as last year. Then it's going to take you next to the cancer plan. And if you want more information about your cancer plan, once again, you can talk to Kim, who's going to be on site. You can go right here, make any changes, etc. Okay? So this test employee already had cancer. He had the option 2 right here with single parent. So he's going to do same as last year. Next, it'll direct you to your critical illness. Every page is the same with help information right here, a toll-free number, etc. I don't want to be redundant, but I do want you to know you've got plenty of help. So this employee is going to waive coverage. He's changing his mind just so we can do something different. Next, you've got your accident coverage, which is available to you. And you can see the cost for the accident. And we'll just go right through the same way. We'll keep it same as last year. It'll take you to your long-term disability. And if you've already made an election, right here is where it would show you what you have. This long-term disability has a 90-day elimination period, meaning on the 91st day, you would start to receive 60% of your taxable income tax-free. You will not pay taxes should you ever file a disability claim. So that number is already automatically figured in as to what your disability payment would be. So this person had done some thinking related to his finances. He's going to keep the same as last year. And then it takes you to your voluntary group term life insurance. The voluntary group term life, we do not have open enrollment. You can increase if you currently do not have over $100,000 in face value. And the way you would know is you go up here and click on in the blue bar, the green, and you can see this person already has $100,000. But let's say this person had $50,000. At open enrollment time, he can increase, or she, their amount by $10,000 and $10,000 only. So he's got the maximum. He's going to keep that as the same as last year. Last year, I believe, was the first year that we offered InfoArmor. I don't think you can turn on the television or listen to the radio without someone talking about identity theft. It has impacted me personally in the past 12 months. I think it's a great buy for the insignificant amount of cost for what you get. If you want to find out more, there's a video here on the information as well as a lot of other information. So this person did purchase it last year. He's going to keep the same as last year. Then we come to the short-term disability. If you were enrolled in our short-term disability through Colonial, you can keep it the same or you can waive it. This person is going to keep it the same. If you currently don't have short-term disability and you'd like to find out more about it, please reach out to that toll-free number or talk with Kim Cambry as she is on site next week. Also, on the Universal Life, Trustmark Life, that's more of a permanent life insurance. You would actually, unless you're already enrolled in it, you would need to call in and talk with someone or talk with Kim. This person wants to keep theirs, so he's going to click OK. And then we got the Trustmark Child Life, same thing. You would need to speak with someone. You can cancel it. You can click OK if you already have the product and want to keep it. Same thing on the Trustmark Spousal Life. They're going to keep that. And then you come to your dependent care. In other words, paying for your daycare with tax-free dollars. If you don't understand that and you are currently paying for some type of child care, I highly recommend that you sit down with Miss Kim and talk to her about this. We're going to keep the same as last year. And then there's a second part of your flexible spending account, which is your out-of-pocket medical expenses. You do not have to pay taxes on that. Once again, talk with Kim if you have any questions or give us a call on the toll-free number. That's a great way to put dollars back into your pocket if you have any significant out-of-pocket medical expense. This person was already contributing $100 per month. They're going to keep it the same as last year. And then you will come to a page that shows you what your current elections are, the amounts that the new elections that you made, what coverage that you have, etc. You're not quite done, so click Finished. It will bring you to a benefits confirmation page showing you all of your coverages and the deduction, whether it's employee spouse, single parent, employee family, etc. Right here, you do the best you can using your mouse as a cursor and just come in and fill out your name. Isn't that pretty? Okay, and press the confirmation statement, and you are done. You can download your confirmation statement and print that out for your files or save it to a file or whatever. That's it. I hope you find that as simple as many others have. Once again, give us a shout if you run into any obstacles. I so much appreciate you guys, and I hope you have a good fall, and talk with you soon. Bye-bye.